Alright, we're up and running. What is up, everyone? Make sure everything's solid here where I'm looking. Alright, sweet, we are live. There you go. Okay, so I figured since, as you probably tough my told me, I just got off of work. So I figured since we're this close to beating this game, I think we're right near the end. I thought I'd hop on and play a little bit so we can beat this game. So, without further ado, let's hop on. Always looks like Ego City, yeah. So, Ego City is the last one. Level 6 is Clank. Perfect. Let's do this thing. And I will be getting a ring light, most likely for this area, so that way you can see my face better. Because these lights don't do a whole lot. I just don't have one built into this camera, so I'll do better with that. Hopefully better setup sooner than later, but and then the last couple parts of this game I haven't uploaded. I found some technical difficulties I'm still trying to figure out how to fix, or if I just need to cut it out and just whatever there. So I'm still editing them, but I will get them out sooner or later.
You've reached the main railway track. Hop on, rookies. You're almost inside.
Let's go.
I'm downloading schematics for the railway tracks in your quadrant. We should be able to guide you directly into the drone's core. Hang on, rookies. We'll help you bypass the outer defenses.
Yeah.
Darn it, Kronk, you switched them directly towards the defenses. How many times have I told you to get your visual receptors replaced? So sue me for wanting to keep one original piece of my body.
There we go.
Switch the tracks, Kronk! Execute! 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 Ha-ha! Piece of cake!
Switch the track! Switch the track!
Stand back, rookies! I'm sending down an apogee pod!
Alright, we have 69,000 volts, which means that we can definitely do something elite if we really want to do. Which, why not? Let's see. I'm going to do more longer. Finish tracing completely done. These are for something time nights, which we'll do for elite. So I guess that's to tell you. Welcome into the stream. Appreciate you being here. Finishing up some light chain things. I don't really use Dark Star Phasing Tether. That was nice for the big ones. Not sure. Flaming Blaster have been okay, I guess, but not the best. Most intense. I guess what they've kind of got.
This will come in handy.
Not a bad thing to have. So give us 39,000, so we can do something with that. Not sure. Let's see. In all reality, I think I should just go with the Combustor.
How convenient.
Now we can keep the still up and running. Yeah. See what we can do, guys.
good, Cadet. Time to crack open a galactic can of whoop-ass. You're welcome, little buddy.
There it is. Alright, sorry. Easy copy.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
Hop in.
Yep. Across here.
Meet my friend, the Warmonger.
Yeah.
Ammunition acquired.
Greetings, oppressors. We've come to destroy you. Pretty good, Cadet.
Enemy down.
Everyone follow me! Adventure awaits!
Huh.
This will come in handy. Just what the technician ordered.
Ah. Maybe. Stop.
You must take cover, Captain.
I think I'm in a bit of trouble
Too
here.
fast. That's really fast.
I need you.
Behold, my giant ball of power! Commence rejoicing. President Quark is here to save you. Hey, what gives? I'm a civil servant.
Never fear, rookies. We're sending you some backup right now. And you'll never guess who it is.
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition. This arc lasher is quite effective.
How's my fist kick?
I detect trouble ahead. Enemy defeated. Perhaps I should acquire some nano. You must take cover, Captain. some assistance. I appreciate the assistance.
Sleeps for no one. Pretty good, cadet. Watch out, Clank!
We are a good team.
Oh, please God. Oh my goodness. Even more of you guys.
The robots have not heard of Mr. Zircon.
You're fired. You, enemy. You look like you could use a good spanking.
Mr. Zircon will return.
Get ready for the critter strike. Let's roll.
There we go.
Those shields look pretty powerful. You may want to give your reflectors a try.
I may need to repair.
Not bad. There we go.
Greetings, interlopers. Your friends in the sky have informed me that you'd like a word with the Master. I hope you'll permit me to facilitate an introduction.
Sweet.
All systems are fully operational.
Come, we haven't got all day. I assure you I mean you no harm. I decided to retire a few weeks early.
Cool.
Wait for me, please.
Amazing, isn't it? Over 22,000 predators have passed through these walls since Ephemeris was created, each one catalogued and studied. It's unfortunate that the Master wishes to use them for such a dark endeavor, but I suppose that's just his nature. Farewell, interlopers. Should the Master fail to kill you, do me one small favor. Destroy that annoying steward.
Cool. I'll do it.
I'm detecting a large power spike just beyond your position. The core must be just beyond those security doors.
Does anyone require nanotech?
Funny enough, I think this is pretty much it.
This will come in
I'm
handy.
gonna find my watch out.
How convenient.
As well. Should have put it as well.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
Yep, we're now right smack dab in the middle. So I believe this will be our final boss.
Evo? How did you get in here? You have to go. He's going to be upset. Very, very upset.
Who's going to be upset?
Nevo. You didn't tell me you were expecting guests.
I'm sorry. They must have circumvented the defense system.
Silence! You four have been quite meddlesome.
You stole the plans to Dr. Croyd's protomorphic energy extractor?
You should have seen the look on Nevo's face. He even tried to stop me, if you can believe it.
Stop!
I would have disposed of him, but he's actually been quite useful. Building my collectors, modifying ephemeris. He's been a wonderful pet.
What does a little furball like you need with a spaceship and a protoplasmic energy dinger?
Protomorphic energy extractor, you simpleton. And the answer is freedom.
Guys, I don't think these are comet pieces. These are from a planet.
The smaller ones are easy to control, but larger life forms have always been problematic. Ironic, these slovenly bottom feeders succeeded in the one area we could not. This is the future! A machine that can force our consciousness into vessels worthy of our intelligence. With this, Tauronux will be reborn! And I can't have you lot ruining it.
That's not good.
Let's see how you buffoons fare against my collector minions.
Meet my friend, the Warmonger.
Oh wait, actually, let's do this.
Get ready for the Blitzer.
Impressive, are they? I admit, they're mostly Nevo's design. It's amazing what a Starboss can do when a blaster is pointed at him.
You must take cover, Captain.
I do everything myself. I spent too long developing this machine to be stopped by the likes of you.
the hell?
Meet my friend, the Warmonger.
Let's see how you buffoons fare against my collector minions.
My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you.
Impressive, aren't they? I admit, they're mostly Nevo's design. It's amazing what a Starbuck can do when a blaster is pointed at you.
Get ready for the blitzer.
You must take cover, Captain.
I do everything myself. I spent too long developing this machine to be stopped by the likes of you.
Mr. Dinkles. Alright, let's do it.
Watch out, Clank!
Engage your...
All little tin cans.
I could use some assistance. Just what the technician ordered.
Now, you'll pay for that. Do you know how much work was put into this hammer throne? Lousy shield.
Your hover throne has been damaged.
I know it's been damaged. I'm not blind.
Uh-oh. I am out of ammo.
Watch out, Clank!
I'm not paying attention. That's on me. I'm not paying attention.
Mr. Zircon hates Mr. Dinkles.
Nice.
Ward, look out!
Ah, there we are.
Not what I do.
Perhaps you should try killing them.
No.
What does this look like I'm trying to do? I'm not baking brownies here.
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition. Ward, look out!
Ah, there we are. Blasted shield! Oh, never send a Starpod to do a Loki's work. Want something done right?
There we
You've
go.
got to do it
We're getting it.
I've had enough of this! Minions, destroy them!
Stupid robot.
Arrogance this pathetic race had. They were crawling through the mud like worms before we arrived. Everything they have, they owe to us. Can you believe that insane paradoxologist described us as protomorphic? Ah! The Loki are the most advanced race in the universe. It's a shame the Cragmites won't be here to witness our glorious return. I would have enjoyed sending a few monsters back to Reborn. Oh well, I'll have to start with a new planet, say Iglia. To think we would have stayed trapped in these ridiculous bodies forever if Dr. Croyd and his sniveling cohort didn't discover our presence. I should thank them. And then there was the wonderfully naive Dr. Croyd. It was deliciously easy, curled up on his lap, learning from his experiments, laughing at his theories. What is this energy? What is this energy? And more.
A lot going on here.
No longer will our kind remain trapped on this primitive planet. No, we will spread out and rip this universe apart. Planet by planet, star by star, till nothing but dust remains.
Come on.
Honestly, I was expecting a bit more of a fight than this.
Watch out, Clank! Who wants a piece of old CQ? Pretty good, Cadet. And now for something truly awesome.
How convenient.
Blasted shield! Oh, never send a Starmon to do a Loki's work. You want something done right? You've got to do it yourself.
Watch out, Clank!
Boy, look out.
Pretty good, Cadet.
You're proving to be more trouble than you're worth. Steward, catch the Gribblenaught! We're stepping up our time.
Yes, Master. Searching creature pens. Found. Gribblenauts. Apex predator of Lycan 5. Redirecting to Ephemeris core.
Uh-oh. A Ratchet 5 Gribblenauts. What do you think he plans to do with that?
Hang tight, rookies. I'm researching every wildlife database in Polaris.
Engaging target.
Nice, nice.
Get ready for the critter strike. Here we go again. Running headfirst into a blazing inferno of
No.
flame. Stay away from the beam.
We must stay away from the beam.
One down. Yeah.
Ah, there you are.
My, still alive. This is all pointless, you know. In a few hours, our kind will possess enough monsters to spread across this galaxy and... Ow! You! I don't think I need you anymore, little pawn. Get away from me!
Nice.
What are you doing, you fool? Let go! No!
Don't let him turn it on!
Wow, okay.
That does not look like something I'd like to keep as a pet.
Turtle Knox. Now,
Ammunition acquired. Uh-oh, I'm out of ammo.
Really use some nanotech about now.
oh, wow.
I got something! According to the Polaris database of needlessly violent predators, the Riken 5 Gribblenot has the natural ability to augment its body through digestion. Huh? Wonder if that extends to digesting fire. Well, that solves that mystery.
This will come in handy.
Meet my friend, the Warmonger. You're welcome, little buddy.
Oh dear, I believe I require ammunition. You must take cover, Captain.
I wonder how much time it does that.
Not bad for a carbon-based life force. Deploying offensive tactics. I could use some assistance. I could use some assistance. All systems are fully operational. How convenient.
Pretty good, cadet. Meet my friend, the Warmonger.
Uh-oh, I am out of ammo.
What does it mean when my blaster starts clicking? Look at that! Have you ever seen a force field this awesome? The depths of my heroism know no bounds.
You must take cover, Captain.
You're doing it, rookies! Keep going!
This will come in handy. It is time for the critter strike.
Bam. We're getting it, we're getting it. Oh no. Shot.
Oh, it looks like the Gribblenox absorbed the Zagroot's electrical and regenerative power. Sweet criminy! That means he's invulnerable.
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition.
I think I'm in a bit of trouble here.
Uh-oh. I am out of ammo. Perhaps I should acquire some nanotech.
Really use some nanotech about now.
I could use some assistance. Did I miss anything?
My God.
Fear, measly robot. Mr. Zircon will keep you safe. Stupid monster, go back to Toranax.
How convenient.
Meet my friend, the Warmonger.
You need to separate the spirit from the Gribblenox. Neva, you've worked with the machine for years. You must know how to use it against him.
I can activate the extractor, but it'll only work if he's standing still. Pin him down using the pincers. I'll activate the machine. Driving up the extractor.
Extractor is now ready.
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition.
Mr. Zircon will return.
Uh-oh. I am out of ammo.
This is like really intense.
This will come in handy. Oh dear, I believe I require ammunition. How convenient.
The trap is active! Hit it down! It has to be completely secure. Grab it with the other pincers.
Hop in.
Put me down! Put me down!
Damn.
Secure its head while I prime up the extractor. We'll rip the spirit from its body.
No. No.
No, Captain, I suggest you engage in more cardio. Oh dear, that was unfortunate.
No!
I
Damn
could
it.
use some assistance. I could use some assistance. Now, where was I?
Put me down! Put me down!
There we go.
You've got him.
Good work. Here goes nothing.
Good form, Neva. Good form.
He's fighting it. Give me a hand pulling him out.
Hop in.
Yeah. Planet Spirit. Okay.
Meet my friend, the Warlock.
He's out. Finish him.
Destroy that foul creature. Everyone, fire!
Oh yeah! Yeah! Yeah, we got him! Holy crap. Dang, that's nefarious with the save.
Nefarious old friend, you gotta admit, the sight of two dudes just hugging it out warms the cockles of your mechanical heart, huh?
Well, Dr. Croyd seems to be doing better. Still keeps feeding me those treats, but otherwise he's surprisingly sane. So, another world saved, another galactic disaster averted. Some retirement, huh?
This may sound strange, but I think I prefer hero work.
You know something, pal? So do I. You think the Tharpods will be okay when Dr. Croyd destroys these planet fragments?
Time will tell, I suppose, but I believe they will be just fine.
All right, Nefarious. Hands where I can see him.
Wait, how did you guys get down here?
Yes, about that, help finally arrived.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, hey!
I hope you don't mind, but, well, it turns out the evil sidekick market is a bit thin these days. I don't suppose there's room in your employ for one more?
Nice try, Lawrence. But today's been a day of revelations for all of us. Together we faced a villain that was neither robot nor squishy. And we learned a little something about life, friendship, and the sticky connective tissue between right and wrong. So I'm afraid Dr. Nefarious isn't going to do anything but steal our ship.
What do you expect? I'm a supervillain! Full royale! Losers!
Sometimes it feels like the universe just writes itself.
Yeah? But how do we get off this rock now?
I'll fly.
I got shotgun.
I am not sure this vessel is ready for interplanetary travel.
Nevo flew it over here from Billerog, didn't he? Besides, a couple new ion ducts, some pole sealant, maybe a new grav thruster. We'll be off the planet in no time.
What planet? Who the heck are you people?
Ratchet, we cannot pilot a weaponized drone into Luminopolis.
Relax. I pilot weaponized drones into Luminopolis twice a week. It's like a fine at 10 bolts in a class you take online. Or can probably pardon us.
Perks of the job.
Oh, why even bother?
Poor Clank. Poor Clank. Heck yeah! Alright, you got it. And there it is, the credits. Awesome. That was fun. The story was pretty good. I didn't like the NPC, no matter who it was. They weren't. The intelligence wasn't there, and it was like fighting that the whole time. But still, fantastic story. And let's see. Yes. Okay, so interesting. I'm just looking to see what game would be next for Ratchet and Clank. Except I have to actually buy it still. And as of right now, it would be Full Frontal Assault, which was in 2012. And then there's the Into the Nexus. Full Frontal Assault sounds like it's got not so good reviews on it, so I'll have to double check that to see what that is. I guess I really gotta get my see if I can find someone to fit my PS5, because I want to stream and do YouTube videos for you guys on here, but unfortunately, when I was trying to do Resident Evil Requiem, which I'm sure I said this in my last videos, is that when you plug it in, it shows up, but it's like red lines all through, and then it'll just freeze up on my screen. So, I found out that. Oh, sorry, well, day there. These HDMI on these are clunky, so it could just be that. So I might take the Geek Squad, just have a look at the HDMI cord, just have HDMI cord, see if it maybe can need some help there. But I can do that. I would love to start streaming with you guys on that. yeah, lots of games I would love to stream on that and have a better feel there. But that is Ratchet and Clank All for One. Wasn't a bad game. I think the mechanics didn't age exactly well, and it's pretty simple and easy. I just think the NPCs didn't. Sorry, no, just stepping out of nowhere. I think the NPCs were a little clunky. The mechanics were a little clunky, as it just how the NPC works. I'm sure I would have better with like gunfight. I had more practice with, not practice, but played a lot more in there. But other than that, good game. I enjoyed it.
The Polaris Defense Force has set up a perimeter outside the Vartan Nebula, so we'll have to take the Corvus exit until there's a change in patrols. I did manage to restock your dark matter missile array, so if you'd like, we can make a quick stop and retrieve it.
Huh. Want to Doctor the Fair settings, choose the hardest acting like the villain, but anyway. So yeah, I'll see what the next game fully is in the can with the series, kind of play it off from there. And I will try to get these last parts up as soon as possible, but we'll see what happens with that, because I got to do some editing, and I'm not a full-on intense editor. Like, I'm gonna figure out with my editing browsers what I need to use to make it all work out. But anyway, oh sorry, I worked today, so it was a busy day at work. So well, at the end of it. But anyway, yeah, this game, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. I think I preferred to have Ratchet and Clank being playable characters and not having to, do the levels like that. But I enjoyed the fact that it was a good story, it made sense. Well, still not how Cork became president in any way, shape, or form. And Dr. Nefarious looking like he's doing what's it called? A redemption arc in a way. I'm wondering how that's gonna go. Should be interesting. So, but yeah. Anyways, again, I recommend Ratchet and Clank. I love the series. I'm gonna keep playing it all the way until I get to the very end. Cause I like all the I like all the games. Some are better than others, obviously, but this wasn't too bad. Wasn't my favorite so far, but it was decent, so I enjoyed it. But for those who joined me on my Twitch stream, appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it, what you did, or as you could. For those of you gonna watch on YouTube later, I hope you enjoyed this as much as possible. I know I could probably do a little better editing, and I will slowly but surely get this area where I can stream better. I definitely know I need a ring light, which I'm going to get. I'm gonna plan to get that here soon, so that way you just actually see my face when I'm doing this. Not very pretty, but anyway. So yeah, but enjoy this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me do it. I know there's technical difficulties with sounding off. One of my last videos, the whole sound from my outro was out, so yeah, just a lot going on there. But yeah, I'll get better with this as I go. I'll learn as I go. But again, appreciate you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Twitch, and go to all my social medias. I'll get that. Make sure all that's up there, so that way you guys can follow me there. And then, yeah, we'll just kind of go from that point, and I'm not sure when I'm going to start, what's the next stream going to be, or when I'm going to start it up again, but I'll figure it out, and hopefully make it worthwhile for you guys. Someone got 8th of the PS2 for the Elgato, yes, I'm doing that. So it may be like a PlayStation 3, 4, Xbox 360, I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but it'll be good. We'll have fun with it. But other than that, I hope everyone enjoys I hope you guys all have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time of day that you're watching this one. It's a fantastic one for you. And please just keep following me so that way I can get better for you guys and get hopefully create a fun, fantastic gaming community. And we'll just do our best to support each other and just have a blast with this. Yeah. So until then, I guess we'll talk to you guys later and see you around. Bonsoir, mon amis. See ya.